Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Today we have organized the ex-servicemen rally in Bambolim for our all veterans of Goa state, which includes the armed forces who are here. The main purpose of this rally is to firstly meet our old veterans who are there spread in all the talukas. They come here, we apprise them of the new policies. Our channel means the ECHS way, and finally going to the civil hospital and how and what facilities they can be provided at that point. So it's a continuous endeavor for us to keep improving, take the points from them, try to implement. They are facing issues because of our so much thrust on digitization. Naris, they are the most important persons who are there with us. They are the ones who have lost their husband / their son in actual operations. That is why they are considered Veer Nari or Veer Mata. And for them, for us, they are of the highest level. So we always, like today also, we have given them some felicitation. Similarly, we are always taking them at the highest level.
So many of the ex-servicemen have complained about regarding the medical emergency they are facing in private hospitals. What do you want to say on that?
See, the private medical, what they were asking about was of particular things that once they reach there, they were looking at that there should be a separate cell which is to be created, which with our experience of dealing with them, it is not feasible for them to spare so much, because finally they are a private hospital. But whenever a point has come from them, there can be instances when they are under pressure of their own so many patients.